Jamaica, we don't use a lot of bottle seasoning because we like to taste the curry, the better pack curry in anything we cook. So we try to cut out, not everyone, but most people don't use a lot of butter seasoning because you put the garlic powder, the onion powder, the complete season. All them season take away the flavor of the curry and the color. Because we want the curry to be yellow. So we are just putting garlic salt and better pack curry powder. Oh, it does. See there, she's just mixing it up. Oh yeah. The curry chicken look good already. And we're going to cook it with some food. We need some strong renta yam, white yam, and some banana. Yes. Alright, cover it up. Yeah. Family Rosie add the better pack curry, 2 small little packs of better pack curry, and she add the garlic salt. That's the only thing in the pot now. And she just rub the chicken, massage it with the chicken. And then she placed it in the pot. She didn't burn any curry. Older people, they burn curry. Younger people not burn no curry now. They just put everything in the pot. Because back then, manufacturer never even know how to make curry good. And they used to run your belly. Especially if they don't like put it in the pot with the oil and burn it. Burn it means they take out all the flavor and put it in the pot. You know, when they burn it with the oil and rub it up. I have it on my channel too. When you burn it in the oil and you rub it up, it get out all the essential what do you call it now? Essential spices out of the curry when you burn it. A lot of people still burn curry up to now. Some young people still burn it because we grew up and saw our parents burning the curry. But this one wasn't burned. This one was just seasoned and placed in the pot. This chicken wasn't, the curry wasn't burned, just seasoned, put it in the pot. But better pack is a very good curry. I think everybody people use other curries, you know, but better pack is the best curry we have in Jamaica here. But you have a lot of different flavor curry. Because there's a lot of company now that makes curry that never used to make curry back in the days. So, you know, we are improving. Okay, all that curry. The chicken is cooking nicely. Cooking nice. Oh yeah, the chicken is cooking nice. This is gonna be so good. I can't wait to eat it. I'm really hungry now. Can't wait to eat my dinner. Oh Lord, I'm not cooking it, make me even happier. Yeah, Rosie cooking this one. Yeah, and this is the water boiling. She's gonna put the food inside of the water. Yes, when she's ready to put it in there, I'll show you. She's gonna peel it, then when she's ready to drop it in the pot, I'll show you. She's gonna peel it and wash it, then she drop it in the pot. And I'll show you. Yeah. She just finished peeling, so she's gonna cut it up. And what kind of, want some good dumpling too. She's gonna put some strong dumpling in the pot. I want a little cornmeal dumpling and some white dumpling in the pot. Yes. Strong dumpling with the curry chicken. Over here she adds some carrots and onion and tomatoes. No tomato.